In this lesson, we will learn how to export motion clips. So once our animation has been added to a clip, it's very easy to export that data. It's just a matter of finding the source right here in the timeline. And then you can go ahead and right-click and choose Save Source As. Alright, sweet. I'll go ahead and add this to the Project Files folder. And let's say we go ahead and call this ms_turret jump. We're using the same name that we used to name the motion source, just to keep things clear. Let's go ahead and now choose Save. Fantastic. So watch this. I'm going to go ahead and now trash the motion clip. Oh no! I'll also go ahead and get rid of the source. How would we add it back? I'll even go ahead and close out of the timeline, so we can go ahead and do this from scratch. So what we can do here is we can go ahead and grab our global node. We'll go ahead and right click and we'll choose Show Motion. Once we've done that, we can now go ahead and right click in the source area and choose Load Motion Source. Now it's just a matter of finding our source. There it is, and we can go ahead and click on Open. Sweet. Now let's say we go ahead and take our source and add it right back to the clip area, and there we have it. So we're brought back to where we were before. So that's basically how we would export our data and then how to import it back in. Sweet. I'd also like to point something else out to you. You'll notice in the Attributes Manager, since we still have the global node locked here, you can see we have this Motion System tab, and we can get to a few properties that are tied to our motion clip right from here. So that's super convenient. You can learn more about this, by the way, in Introduction to Animation in Maya. We could actually use this to animate on layers. Again, this is a very advanced system, and we're only skimming the surface. So after we're done with this volume, continue to play around with the motion system until you've managed to kind of figure out how powerful it really is, because it can help you save a lot of time. But that's it for this lesson. So we've learned how to export as well as import our animations right back into Cinema 4D with the motion system. What I'd like to do in the next lesson is go ahead and create an animation clip out of the turret's idle.